This is the world's most futuristic police car. It's got thermal imaging cameras, AI-powered screens, rescue drones, and it's got a few things that are gonna blow your mind. So on this channel, we've had Dubai's record-breaking police boat, Dubai's police supercars,
Dubai's police boat here in Dubai.
And today, we're filming the newest member of the fleet, the Ghiath. Wow.
So
and you can read their faces?
Yeah.
Wow.
Watch what's gonna happen. This right here is a 360-degree retractable camera. Now it's super cool because it's got face recognition, it reads license plates, it can tilt, it can pan, and it streams live to the command center. Also, when the car is actually stationary, it can zoom 30 times in to whatever spot they want to zoom on.
That's not just there for decoration. The UAE has been ranked the safest country in the world. 4 of the top 7 safest cities in the world are in the UAE according to Numbeo, with Abu Dhabi being the #1 safest and Dubai coming in at number 7. In fact, the crime rate in Dubai, if rounded to the nearest whole number, is 0%. That's calculated by measuring how many crimes are committed per 100,000 people, and it always falls to 0.2 to 0.4% across the board.
Over at the front, what you have are 5 more front-facing cameras for your facial recognition, to read license plates, all of that.
At the front, we've got the name of the car, Ghiath. This car is actually made in the UAE by a Dubai-based W Motors. They came up with a car called the Lycan. You can see that car jumping off a building in a little movie called Fast and the Furious 7.
Do you know where the name Ghiath comes from? The Crown Prince of Dubai had a pet falcon that responded fast, and that's where they got the name from. I want to show you a little feature on this car that I call the heart stopper. You ready? Check this out. Imagine seeing that in your rear view mirror. Oh yeah, your heart's stopping, trust me. All right, so let's continue to the side.
Yeah, 30% of it is actually 3D printed, the interior and exterior.
This car looks great. It's a police car, but it looks awesome.
Nice looking cars is a theme across Dubai's police fleet. We've seen Dubai police Bugatti Veyrons, Lamborghini Aventadors, Lamborghini Uruses, Audi R8s, McLarens, Ferraris, Supras, Aston Martins, Bentleys, and they even have plans of incorporating a Dubai police Cybertruck. Safe to say, this is the coolest police car fleet on the planet.
But actually at the moment there's only 10 of these cars on the road, but they've ordered another 400. This is actually the wide angle side view camera.
So let's go over to the back.
3 cameras, 1, 2, 3. They can flag you down if they're looking for your license plate. They can have Face ID.
Ready?
Come here.
You have a drone, and this is customized with thermal imaging. It's got a bunch of different features.
It can fly for up to 30 minutes, but it's also got a speaker and a microphone, so like they can make announcements.
Hey, stop! You're under arrest. Now, this is something that I have never seen in a police car before. What is going on? It looks like a spider web.
Smart seatbelt system. Let's say we've got our criminal.
Yep.
He's agitated. He's active.
I'm agitated. I'm agitated.
We still need to be nice and seatbelt him, right? Instead of me going over, agitated criminal.
I can headbutt her, knee her in the ribs. I can bite her shoulder.
No more. No more. Smart seatbelt system. Done.
And she's out of reach.
He's in. Okay. Now one of my favorite features is the passenger side screen. Super long, super modern. You hardly ever see this in any other cars. Now all the images you see are actually footage from all the cameras. This massive monitor in the middle. What's cool about it is it actually links to this iPad. If you check this out, this is a driver's monitor well-being camera to make sure that the drivers are absolutely alert. So if they start falling asleep, the control center can actually see it and like sends a big alert for them.
This car has state-of-the-art technology and it all looks very impressive, but we wanted to experience it firsthand. So we hopped into the car and took it for a drive.
All right, so on today's shoot, we're here with our friend, Lieutenant Safe. The best name ever for a police officer. It could not have been designed any more perfectly. All right, so right now we're on the road and we have all the cameras sending information to the control center, right?
Yeah.
When you're in the passenger seat, you have this screen as well, which shows like 9 different cameras. It's crazy to see. What is the distance? How far of a distance can it read the license plate?
It is reading like for 10 meters.
10 meters, okay.
Yeah.
It can read those cars in front
Even
of us.
parked cars, and even if I was on a highway, I can get the people on the other road.
And you can read their faces?
Yeah.
Wow.
Of course, it has face recognition and the plate number.